Our app is all-in-one mobile apps, including security systems and the smart home devices. T1 is a smart home alarm system with dual network, Wi-Fi and 4G. This is the dashboard you can use for arming, disarming the system directly from the app, and you can have a two-way talk with your family, the alarm system, and trigger the panic button for triggering the emergency call. And you can add accessories, recent activities, and inquiries. Let's see the accessories. 50 sensors, 10 remote controls, and 50 RFID tags can be added to the system. For sensors, you can see the status, battery status, and the zone name, sensor's name can be customized. And you can choose the zone type for each sensors: normal zone, stay zone, delay zone, 24-hour zone. For remote control, you can customize a different name as well. RFID tags. You can choose functions like arm only, disarm only, or arm disarm switchable. Adding the sensors is very easy. Tap on Add button and trigger the sensors. For remote control, trigger it. For sensors, trigger it like this. Recent activity, you will see all event logs here, including control panel status, arming, disarming, emergency calls. And inquiries, the status about the system, like GSM signal strength, power on and off, battery status, all the IMEI information here. For settings, all settings can be done by user itself, and for store phone numbers, 3 SMS number you can receive SMS for alert, and 5 phone numbers to receive alarm calls. Central monitoring station, so you can connect the system to central monitoring station. The system supports 2 protocols. One is PSTN Content ID Protocol, another is ID SIA Portable. So when you choose ID SIA Portable, you can set IP address, port numbers, and for PSTN Content ID Protocol, you need to set about central monitoring account number and the phone numbers. Scheduling the system for arming, disarming on the schedule, like this. Entry exit delay time. And you can monitor the GSM signal. If it is in low or lost, it will send a notification for you. And you can get who's operating the remote control and RFID tags. If you enable the door sensor monitoring, you will get notification if door sensor has been left open. And siren duration time. Change the device languages. And set the phone number about your alarm system. That's all about the setting. And you can set the smart automation with the other devices, like smart home devices. Choose one device status to be armed device, and then turn off a smart device like a switch off. Save it. Next. So it is a one-click setting about the smart home automation. That's it. And you can even to set multiple home automations and share the devices with your family members. That's it. Thank you for watching.